Hey guys, have you ever handed your phone to someone and thought, oh man, I hope they don't see my search history? Yeah, me too. Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your Google search and browser history on Android. Whether you're using Chrome, the Google app, or just want to clear everything, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about the different types of history you can delete. There's your Chrome browsing history, every website you've visited. Then there's your Google search history, everything you've searched for on Google. And finally, your YouTube history. Each one can be deleted separately or all at once. So let's start with the simplest method, clearing everything from the Chrome app. Open up the Chrome app on your Android phone. In the top right corner, tap those three little dots, that's the menu button. Scroll down and tap History. You'll see a list of every site you visited, organized by day. To clear it, tap Clear Browsing Data at the top. Now you'll see a pop-up with options. First, choose your time range. You can pick last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. If you want to wipe everything clean, choose all time. Then check these boxes: browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. If you want, you can also check saved passwords and autofill form data, but that'll sign you out of everything. Once you're ready, tap Clear Data. Now let's talk about your Google search history, the stuff you search for on Google, or the Google app. Open the Google app or Chrome, tap your profile picture in the top right, and tap Manage Your Account. Go to Data and Privacy, then scroll down to My Activity. Here you can see everything you've searched for, every video you've watched, every place you've looked up. To delete, tap the three dots next to any item, or tap Delete at the top to delete by date range, by topic, or delete all activity. The Delete Activity by feature is super useful. You can pick last hour to quickly clear recent stuff, last day for yesterday's activity, all time to nuke everything, or even pick a custom date range if you only want to delete specific dates. This is my go-to method for a quick cleanup. Here's a pro tip: set up auto-delete. Go back to My Activity in your Google account settings, tap Activity Controls, and you'll see options to automatically delete your history after 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. Just pick what works for you, and Google handles the rest. No more remembering to clear your history. What about YouTube? Open the YouTube app, tap your profile picture, go to your data in YouTube, then manage your YouTube history. You can delete specific videos, search history, or tap Delete to clear everything. Same auto-delete options are here too. Another quick way, just say, Hey Google, delete my search history, or Hey Google, delete my YouTube history. If you have voice match set up, Google Assistant will wipe it for you. Works surprisingly well. And one more thing, if you share your phone with family or friends, you can use guest mode or create a separate user profile. That way your history stays yours, and theirs stays theirs. No awkward conversations needed. So there you have it, a complete guide to deleting your search and browser history on Android. From the Chrome app to the Google app, YouTube, and even voice commands, you now have all the tools to keep your browsing private. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.